Alrighty then. And we got the cooling module out. This also locates the front of the body. The height controls the height of the hood gap here. Got a little auxiliary damage here. This hit one of the suspension uprights and scraped the powder coat off. Well, it's not a big deal. I can paint it back, but it was powder coated. This area here, this looks like the biggest part of the heavier structural damage, if you can call it that. I'm going to do some heating and twisting, but it looks like it's localized right there. This side doesn't seem to have any issues. Up here, we've got some spider webbing cracks running down where the glass is stressed. I don't think it's deformed too much. I'll grind that out and re-glass it. This area here is going to take some of the most creative work. This is a separate piece in the mold, and then the outer shell is glued to it. But I think I have enough there. I can trim it off, get it all straightened back up, and then glue the fender nose section back into it. The area here, which controls the rack and the front suspension, it does not appear to have taken any damage, so it's a very good thing there. And it doesn't show any damage back here, but there on the top, as I think I pointed out, I'll point it out again, is probably going to be some of the trickiest part. There's a compression area there that, if it was sheet metal, I'd hook a pull post to it and come along and pull it out, but it's not sheet metal, so I may just have to either cut it out or grind it down and build it up, but it's doable. And the back, it's just fiberglass work. There's really no structure. A little bit of cracking inside. Here again, nothing big. Just annoying. But it gives me an opportunity to get rid of some of the road rash from the Daytona days. I'll end up painting a big portion of the car, most likely. I really haven't decided that. I'm just going to kind of wing it. Since there's no place to break it off, although I can blend it underneath the side pipes. I've done that before. The repair that I did on it when the tow truck tried to rip the nose off of it when I blew the motor up at Daytona, it looks like it held up better than the original. So that's a good thing. Well, that's it for now. I'm still waiting on confirmation for the body parts. I may start working on the fiberglass in the back, but that's for another day. So once again, thanks for watching.